Section 5.8, absolute value graphs, part 2. Now we're talking horizontal translations. That means left to right. Yesterday we talked about vertical, up and down, and that was if we had an addition or a subtraction on the outside of the absolute value bars. Today, for horizontal, if you notice, our addition is on the inside of the absolute value bars. Also, because it's on the inside, it's a little bit tricky. It may be the opposite of what you think. Adding is going to send us to the left. Subtracting is going to send us to the right. Okay, so if you notice, my parent function is this black line, and then they add 5 inside the absolute value bars, so my v doesn't change, but it slides to the left 5 places here, so they started at -5. For this number 4, what is the graph of y equals the absolute value of x minus 5? Because it's on the inside, I know I'm moving horizontally, and because it's -5, I'm actually moving to the right, so I should go over to the right 5 places, and then my v graph will still look the same. Okay, if I have to graph y equals the absolute value of x plus 2, this plus 2 on the inside of the bars means that I have to move left 2 places. So I'm going to go back to -2 and then draw my v from there. Okay. Y equals the absolute value of x minus 1. This is on the inside, so that means I'm going right 1 place, 1 unit. So starting here at 1, making my v. Okay, how will the following graphs compare to our parent function? Because this plus h is on the inside, that means I'm going left, h units. And because this minus h is on the inside, that means I'm going right h units. Okay, so that might be something you want to write down. It's important to know that if I'm adding, I go left, and if I'm subtracting, I go right. Only when it's on the inside of the absolute value bars. Okay, so now you're going to have to write an equation for each, starting with your parent function. Subtracting on the inside means that I'm going right. Adding on the inside means I'm going left. So if that's the case, we're going to start with y equals the absolute value of x, but now I'm going 8 units right. Remember, right was subtraction, so I'm going to subtract 8. Over here, y equals the absolute value of x, and now I'm going left, so I'm adding 6. All right, that's the rest of section 5.8. You should be able to finish. This is the rest of the assignment, page 345, 21 through 32, and finish the lesson quiz.